Hello, everyone. This is week 2 of Greek and Latin roots. And this week, our root is man or manu or manu, and it means hand, the literal hand at the end of your arm. Our first word is emancipate. Now, pay attention. This word is a verb. That means it's an action. Emancipate means to set free, to lend a hand in freeing someone, or to release from someone's hands. This word's pretty famous for its use in the words Emancipation Proclamation, which was a speech given by Abraham Lincoln freeing the slaves in the Southern Confederate States. The picture is of Harriet Tubman. She was a conductor on the Underground Railroad, and she helped to emancipate slaves from the South and take them to freedom in the northern colony, or the northern states, Our second word is manacles. This is a noun, so it's a thing. And manacles are simply handcuffs. This is an old-fashioned word. You might see it in an old Sherlock Holmes novel. Instead of carrying handcuffs, they would carry a pair of manacles. Our next word is manager, also a noun. A manager is a person who has the upper hand, a person who is in charge of someone or something. We often call the manager the boss. And if you're at a restaurant and something's going wrong, you would ask to speak to the manager. Our next word is a little bit trickier. It's an unusual word that's not very common, and our word is mandate. It's a noun, and it means an order or command placed in one's hand. So when the government passes a law, which is an order or command, it usually gets signed, and then, as you can see in the picture, we have this little photo op going on. They've signed the order or command, and it is placed into someone's hand and is now official. Okay. And so this is a mandate of the government. Our next word is maneuver. It is a verb. Be careful to use it as a verb. It's an action. It means to handily or skillfully go around something. So if I use this in a sentence, I would say the airplanes carefully maneuver around each other so they do not crash. Our next word is manicure. This is a noun, so it is a thing. And it is a treatment for the hands and nails. You go to the salon, you get your nails done, it's called a manicure. The next word is manipulate. This is a verb, so it's something that you do. And it means to skillfully operate by hand. So here's our picture. The potter is manipulating the clay to form a bowl. Manual, noun. Okay? And this is the thing. Okay? We're not using it as an adjective here. This is the thing. And it literally means a handbook or a book of directions. You need to consult the instruction manual before you build the shelf. Our next word is manufacture. It's a verb, so it's something you do. It means to make by hand or by machine, to change raw material into a new product. So to manufacture literally means to make something. So if you're going to manufacture a hammer, you would take metal and wood and shape it into the correct shape and put the pieces together. That's manufacture. Our next word is manuscript. This is a noun, a thing. It is a handwritten or typed piece of writing, such as a book. Usually we use this in terms of something that is pre-published. So a writer, an author, would write their manuscript. And then when it's published in a book form. The difference really being that a book is formally bound and has a cover and some other pages that make it a little bit more formal. But the original writing is the manuscript. So guys, this week, our root is man and manu or manu, and it means hand. Please make sure that you add these words and their meanings to your interactive vocabulary notebook, and tomorrow you will complete sentences. Good luck.